Good morning, friend. Let's talk about daily commodity commentary and technical level. We have seen that last week gold prices increased sharply by 2.17%. However, silver price increased by over 4.48%, closed at 71,429. Gold prices closed at 47,751. Weakness in dollar support the gold and silver prices. We are expecting this week also we will see a sharp appreciation in gold and silver prices. In international market, gold is trading around $1832 per ounce. Silver is trading around $27.67 per ounce. The trend of gold and silver are positive. So for today we are expecting a positive trend may continue. So trader can go for buy in gold and silver. Gold support at 47,550, resistance 48,350. Silver support at 71,000, resistance 72,550. We are recommending buy in crude and gold and silver for intraday perspective. Now let's talk about the base metal. We have seen that base metal were also closed on a positive note last week. Copper price increased by 4.40% and closed on lifetime high at 788. Zinc price also increased sharply by 2.06%, and we have noticed that all the major base metal increased sharply last week on the back of expectation of increasing demand and lower inventory. For today, we are expecting a positive trend may continue in the base metal. For today, copper support at 783, resistance 800. Zinc support at 235, resistance 242. Lead support at 174, resistance 179. Aluminium support at 198, resistance 204. Nickel support at 1325, resistance 1355. The trend of base metal are positive, so we are recommending buy in all the base metal for intraday perspective. Now let's talk about the base crude oil. Last week we have noticed that crude oil price increased sharply by 0.85%. However, international market is trading around $65.50 per barrel. The trend of crude oil is also positive on the back of some ransomware attack in crude oil refinery in US. This may impact a positive for crude oil. So for today we are expecting a positive trend may be seen in crude oil prices. So we are recommending buy in crude oil and in natural gas for intraday. Crude oil support at 4720, resistance 4850. WTI crude oil support at 64.60, resistance 67.40. Brent support at 68.30, resistance 70.70. Natural gas support at 214, resistance 229. We are expecting a positive trend may be seen in crude oil and in natural gas for intraday perspective. So we are recommending buy in all the major international commodities for intraday. We hope that you will benefit from this commentary. Thank you.